Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the cover letter section of the Resume Writer. So cover letter is pretty self-explanatory. I have a position here that is newly added into my test data set, and so there's no cover letter built yet. If I look at one of the other positions that I have, I've already built the cover letter for this one, and so you can see what that output looks like. It is ready to copy and paste over into whatever editor or email that I want to paste it into. The cover letter option has this little check mark here for including your contact information. So that is a personal preference. We do not save any data that goes back and forth between the cloud. We do not save any data that you put into this app. It all stays local in your devices, in your iCloud space, and the data that is sent to the AI is discarded as soon as we're done with it. But if you're really nervous about having some of your personal information sent to a cloud AI, you can absolutely uncheck this and it will not send it. In this one, you can see that it's got my name and phone number at the top and it's got signed at the bottom. You also, as a reminder, and I noted this at the bottom, um, you always want to read these before you send them out. When you have a really good fit for the position, when you have a lot of detail in your background, the AI is not really likely to hallucinate. But the bigger the gap between what the job is looking for and what you've provided in the data, the less data that you've provided for the AI to really write out these things, the more likely it is that the AI starts making stuff up on its own. And so you do need to read this before you send it out. Make sure there's not anything wrong. Make sure if there's anything you want to change. And sometimes the AI adds a little fun note at the bottom. This is using the Nova large language models built by Amazon. And so the AI added in at the bottom that it's using a large language model built by Amazon. Um, we've tried to take care of most of those. A lot of those we filter out, but sometimes they do slip through. And it's another reason why it's really important to read those. If I look at this big energy cover letter is one that I did not include my contact information for. And you can see that instead of putting in my name and email address, it just left a little blank here that said, please put your name. Uh, and I can do the same. If I go to this one where the cover letter is not built yet and I decide I don't want to send my contact information, then when I build my cover letter, it's going off to the cloud, sending all of that information over to the AI and coming back with a cover letter based on my experiences, based on the job description, and it doesn't know who I am, so it asks me to go ahead and fill that in. I decided I was okay with my contact information being sent in, and I built the cover letter. Then you'll see when it comes back the second time, it comes back with my information at the top, my name at the bottom, and a nice little note from the AI, again, talking about what they did. That is it for the cover letter section. Thanks for watching.